Nora on her play date with Caden. Say hi, guys. Hi. He thinks you're funny, Nora. Is he flirting with you?
Be gentle.
Oh, she pushed him away that time.
Good girl.
She said, I'm trying to pose. What you guys doing?
Need help, Caden? Oh, you got both feet in.
It's like, oh, he did. Here he comes. You gonna hold her hand?
Need help out?
I think he wants to join.
Bring it out. There, step out. Here, I'll move it back. Step out. There, step your foot out. There, you have it. Now step the other foot out. Here. One foot out. There.
Looking out the window. Here he comes.
Now you're going back in. There you go.
She's funny. Oh, are you reading to him? You showing him your books? Hey there, yeah.